Today I'm going to go over how to draw a chill guy Christmas style. So let's do it. I'm going to go over here now, and I'm going to start right here at the top, and I'm going to draw a line across, up. Going to go over here at an angle for the Christmas hat to have that on him. Line down here for the back of the neck. Going to go over here to the edge of the nose, okay? So over there, curve down. And kind of like a U shape here. Down right here. And line across for the collar right there. We're going to cut it off there. Line across over here. Alright. Go there. Line down for the shirt. Line over here for the bottom of the shirt. And so something to keep in mind is we really want to, we're going to pull out down for kind of his arm and his pockets. I'm going to curve up over here. And you want to think about it like a simple tube, right? Curve over here, curve up. Over here, outward, in. Line over here, and I'm pulling another little thin line right here for the bottom of the sweater right there. And line over here. Curve out, down. Over here, out, down. Line underneath right there. Downward. And a line across over here for the bottom of the shoes. Line over there, line over there. Down. Curve underneath. Line over here. Up over here. Line right there. Line right there. Okay, we're doing pretty good so far, okay? If you like this so far, if you like the pacing of it, absolutely hit the subscribe, click the bell notification, definitely hit that like. That really makes a huge difference to the algorithm. Now we're going to go over here, putting the edges of the hat. Line down. Out over here for the hat. Down over here on this side. Up over here for the bottom portion of that hat. Line over here for the edge of that hat right there, and circle. Don't forget, get the free Q ebook in the description. It's there. It's magic. It's amazing. Go pick that up, and also get the free stuff in the Gumroad. I put the Gumroad in the description as well. I'm going to create a community over here of people that want to get together, and I'm going to go over and correct people's drawings in the next few weeks there. So I'll let you know when that comes up. Line over here, up. And we're going to fill that in, honestly, that shape. It's a really big, dark shape. I really want to fill that in. I think it's really valuable to fill that in, and it makes the whole thing make a lot more sense when you do it that way. So that's kind of what I do right there on that side. Sweet. Now, we're going to go... Let's go into his shoes first before his face. Curve over here for the front of the shoe. The line underneath. Curve over here at the front. Line underneath. Line for the laces right there. It's gonna line across. You can draw one a little bit hanging off the corner there, like a U shape and another U shape. Sweet, sweet. Let's draw a little bit of line over here in the fold of the arm. Line over here in the fold of the arm. And let's draw some of the smaller. See these little lines going down like he's wearing a sweater. Line, same thing right here for the top of the neck of that sweater. Right on. Let's go over here on this side. I'm going to draw a little smile right there. Before we do that, I'll draw his line over here, his zipper right there, and line across. A couple little lines over here along the legs, and right here the seam of the jeans, right, like where it's sewn. That's kind of like really important as far as just getting like the general material there. It's not like the most important thing, but I think it can help a lot. So that's the cool part about it. The line over here. Okay, so far so good. Let's go on the rest of this, by the way. I kind of left some of that a little bit open. That's probably a lot easier in pencil, I think. Let's go over here now. We draw a circle right here on this side. Circle right here on this side. The eyes are pretty close together. Thick line across. Kind of like the top part of that ball shape. Right on. We make them look chill, right? The whole point is to make them look mellow, chill. Now I'm going to go over here on the top, draw another thick shape, and that's the eyebrow. Line over here. Right on, right on. Let's go over here underneath the mouth. There's another baby line, which is kind of showing like a little bit of kind of like the change, right? And I'm sorry, a little bit of basically the lower lip. It's just showing that. Gonna go over here, curve, fill this out, curve, fill this out, right there. Right on, and you have the eyes. So one thing I want to add as well, I want to add like maybe a little design over here to the, like, since it's a Christmas version, to the sweater. Like he's wearing a, right, a Christmas sweater. Right, we're gonna draw a little tree on there, right there, and draw little circles on it. Right on. And that's pretty much almost it. Draw a couple lines right here in the middle there to show a little bit of depth. And maybe you can draw like a little bit of a thicker line on the side over here, like the area aiming toward the bottom. You don't have to. I just kind of like doing that because I think it's pretty cool to do that. It just looks better in my opinion. And that's pretty much it. I want to thank you very much. You're amazing. What I want you to do is I want you to share the video if you can. Okay, share the video. That's where it gets a little bit more traction, and it also kind of lets people into the group there, more subscribers, etc. But you are amazing, and I want you to stay there. Okay, I want you to stay right there, and we're gonna go through another drawing lesson like pretty much right now. But before that, if you have any comments to make, let me know in the comment section. I read every single comment. I try to reply to every single comment, so definitely do that, and I'm going to reply. Otherwise, what I want you to do is I want you to stick around, and we're going to go through this, and we're going to, continue on with the next lesson. So I want you to stay right there, and let's get started right about now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.